Hey Matt, can you just take 5 minutes and talk about the Fort Airflex?
Yeah, sure. I'm actually just picking some at the minute, so we can grab it and go on the mez and then shoot a quick video. No problem at all. So for nearly 40 years now, Fort have been creating great waterproof protective clothing for farmers. They originally called Castle Clothing, they then rebranded as Fort Workwear, and they've also got a separate brand, Tough Stuff, targeted at 2 different markets. But the Fort Workwear stuff is great for the agri kind of market for farmers and people that work in the countryside. Great value for money products, and they're pretty durable, so they last a decent amount of time. This is John, he's my assistant today, so he's very kindly offered to model the Airflex range. Thanks, John. So, a quick overview of the Airflex collection. They're all fully waterproof products with welded seams. They're made from a PU tricot material. They're all breathable. Unlike the Flex collection, which is non-breathable, these products are fully breathable. It's a noiseless material, and it's got flexible stretch in the fabric itself. So, how waterproof is the Airflex collection? The material itself has a 6,000mm hydrostatic head rating and is going to keep you dry all year round. It's also highly breathable with a 2,000 MVP rating. A little bit of a look now at the Airflex jacket itself. It has a high neck to protect from all weather conditions. It has knitted storm cuffs on the inside to prevent the rain from going up the inside of the jacket, which is a great feature. So, moving down the jacket, we've also got a studded storm flap here that will just protect and keep the water out if John was to get sprayed with a jet washer or something like that by someone else on the farm, and it'll keep him dry. The material itself is also windproof and, like I mentioned before, breathable and waterproof. There's also an adjustable hood on the Airflex jacket and 2 pockets with flaps as well to keep the rain out. I'll just show you those just here, and they're quite large pockets as well. So the bib and brace next. Let's take a look if we just give John a quick unzip. So the Airflex bib and brace, fantastic product, one of our best selling. It has the same material features as the previous item, the Airflex jacket. It has a nice big pocket on the front here that you can store little bits and pieces in, and it has 2 clasps here where you fasten it up to keep it up when you're wearing it. So what can the Airflex range be used for? A mixture of different things: farming, fishing, working outdoors, gardening, even dog walking after doing the gardening. Can be used for pretty much anything. It's going to keep you warm, it's going to keep you dry, and that's what it's designed for. So why do I like the Airflex range, and why do our customers like it? I think it's easy to clean, it's very reasonably priced in relation to its quality, and it's great for layering, so you can be just wearing what I'm wearing now and then all of a sudden you feel like jet washing the tractor off, so you can chuck these on and it'll keep you dry, and then you're ready to go straight out to the pub after work. So the Airflex trousers, I'm just going to grab them. These come in 3 colours: black, navy and olive. There's not really too much to say about them. The fabric's the same, they're fantastic, really waterproof, really elasticated waist, can fit all sizes. These are a medium size. They might look a bit long, but they'll fit John perfectly, and they can pull them up above his waistline and it'll keep him dry. So why would you go for the Airflex trousers over the Airflex bib and brace? I think the trousers are just a bit more simple, easy to get on and off, and they give you a bit more freedom of movement. So I hope you found this video really useful. If you need any more information, just click the link in the description below. There's a link actually for each product: the Airflex jacket, the bib and the trousers. If you've got any questions, just reach out to our customer service team. And any issues with products, we offer a free 90-day returns period. And then finally, subscribe. There's loads more videos coming soon.